Good day, everyone. Today, let's compare Agile and Waterfall, two common project management methods. Waterfall is a step-by-step approach for each phase: planning, design, development, testing, and deployment must be completed before moving forward. It works best for projects with fixed requirements like building house. Agile, however, is flexible and works in short cycles called sprints. It allows ongoing feedback and adjustments, making it ideal for projects that evolve like software development. Both methods aim for successful project delivery, require planning, and involve teamwork. The key difference is that waterfall is structured while agile is adaptable. In the end, the best choice depends on our project needs. Let's choose wisely and build something great. Thank you.